Alright guys, thought I'd give you a update on a 150 gallon reef tank. Now I'm finally hooking up the sump to the system. Now I bought the tank used and I was afraid of drilling it. So I looked at overflow boxes. And when set up correctly, these work amazing. Or that's a lot of what the reviews have said. And I've seen other big YouTubers actually use a model similar, or a model that's very similar to this one. Now what I'm going to do is hard plumb it as well as soft plumb it. Here I'll have a valve to shut it off, or maybe even slow it down if I want to. A union. So that way, if something gets clogged, or if I need to replace a piece down here that's damaged, or a piece right here, I can do that. Just screw this, that little piece comes out. Or, that's it. Unscrew right here, this section can come out and I can put a new section in. Also, I'm going to partially soft plumb it so it's easier to get the water to go exactly where I want it in the sump. And by doing it this way, I can prevent splashing, which causes salt creep, which is not only disgusting, nasty, and unclean, but it can also cause a lot of problems for some of your equipment, your tank stand, your house around your tank and all that. Now I'm only going to glue down to here. Still got this other piece. And I'll let it sit for 24 hours. See how it looks on the tank setup like this. Because as I said, if I don't like this whole assembly, I could just unscrew it right here and this whole thing's gone. And if it goes on how I like, this will go in here. Final tubing will finish taking it the rest of the way into the sump. Now I'm hoping that by the end of this weekend I'll have this all hammered out and that part of the sump will be done. And then I'll work on the return pump, which I will 100% soft plumb. And part of that's because I'm thinking later on of adding a manifold to the system. So that way if I want to put a biopellet reactor... Sorry about that. I got geese in the area. But if I want to add a biopellet reactor, maybe I could plumb up an extra tank of some kind to increase my water volume. A recirculating protein skimmer would also be nice. If the one I have, if I decided to get rid of that one. I could also maybe add a Chaeto reactor, which is a refugium made much more smaller and much more compact. Sorry about that, guys. I can't control them. Usually they're in the pond in the backyard. Alright guys, I'm hoping at the end of this week I'll post another video showing you guys the end result.